Hey, it's Nate Wilkins of the Ageless Workout Tribe. And listen, I just want to talk to you about eating or nutrition or diet. Some people call it different things. So for me, it is an eating plan, right? I'm talking about the ways that I eat to maintain my body. 66 years young, I have to do the right things in order to compete and to actually work out at the levels that I'm working out at. The food has to be right. So I put quality food in my body. I'm looking and leaning more and more toward a plant-based diet. It's not saying that I don't eat, sort of meat or what have you. I'm saying to you that I'm moving further and further away from that because the processing of the meat sometimes it takes a lot more time in my system. So I have an eating plan that works for me. Everybody's body is different, and I would suggest to you that we can help you figure that all out if that's where you're stuck and you're not losing the weight or you're gaining some weight because you eat at the wrong times or you're eating all of the wrong stuff. Here's what I would say to you: eat the right stuff first, and then if you have some room, put the other stuff in. Eat some green keeps you lean. So here's what the last thing I would say to you about an eating plan is that you have to find out what works for you. And diets are not always the key. It's this diet, it's that diet. Find something that works for you. If we can help you, reach out to us at www.agelessworkout.com. Join the Ageless Workout Tribe today.